80 something degrees, asphalt, Sacramento, and as much as I hate to say it, alternator went out. I mean, it only had 353,000 miles on the alternator, and I was running 2 battery systems off of it. I can't believe that little 100-watt pusher pushed out on me today. Problem is it's about 5 hours from home and about 7 hours from where I'm heading. So tow truck's on the way, no problem. AAA, always prepared, even though I really wasn't a Boy Scout. I'm a quilt maker. And then I've already called in a repair service. You know, thank goodness to our cell phones when we travel. I was able to go hands-free, get some help on the way, and we'll just see here. Go. Sanford needs a little time at the repair center. We're just getting an alternator, nothing big, just an alternator. All right, here we go. And there she goes. She's rolling again. Okay, it's about 6 a.m., maybe a few minutes after. We just parked the Sequoia. I am on skateboard mode. They haven't quite closed the roads yet. We're on our way to the park to start setting up the teacher's tent. It is Sisters Outdoor Quilt Show Day, and it's gonna be amazing. The best part about being a volunteer is early access, of course. We'll see if the firefighters are even here yet. Sally Fry, captain of the fire crew. Not yet. There goes the deer. The deer doesn't really want to help us set up, but he's not sure he wants us setting up either. And here we go. I think this is what everyone looks the most forward to. Our stitching post. We're gonna chalk up them tires. We're gonna throw them ladders up. We're gonna make this a solid hanging today, folks. Where's Quilt Captain Fry?
Captain Fry's right here.
Quilt Captain Fry. Let's not get overstepping our boundaries. Right. Quilt Captain Fry's got her display organized. She's getting her crew lined out as they prepare all the gear. They put the ladder climber in the shorts intentionally, I believe. All free to the community and all the travelers that will come out. Like I said, this is the highlight opening of the show. It's quite a party you're throwing for yourself today, Johnny. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, you got a couple friends come to town for you.
You need to set the fire alarm.
Right. Crew continues to hang the side of the stitching post. All the volunteers, roughly 300 of them, are going to come out and start hanging the rest of the town, covering the buildings, the lines, all the eaves with these amazing quilts. These lines are usually up under the eaves and get cleaned the week before, because all of these quilts belong to people. Some of them will be for sale, and they are actually all incredibly well cared for and protected while they go on display. Quilts are barcoded and labeled. They're all set. Each one's got an organizer, a crew chief, a crew leader. That's right. Just pretend. Just go with it. Just go with it.
We're just doing what we're doing.
Armed with their clothespins.
On this wire up here. Good morning.
You see. It's just about the hanging. We'll come back for another few later. So fun. And like I said, now the huge crowd that's gathered, kicking off the quilt show. It's going to be a beautiful day here in Sisters, Oregon. So Scott Hansen, Blue Nickel Studios came by to say hello, and of course his better half for breakfast. And he said, "Hey, dude, you don't have a quilt on display." So there it is. Glowing Checkered Star is now being seen at the Sisters Outdoor Quilt Show over in the auxiliary lot. Why not? And on the demo stand behind Stitch and Post, we've got So Kind of Wonderful, Jenny and Helen running the show back here. All right, middle of the day, packed, of course. Thousands and thousands of people, but this is the way we are able to share our passion, is we get a lot of folks on these hands-on experiences. And I just met the young man who you can hear still playing the ukulele in the background, teaching, 16 years old, teaching ukulele, sharing his passion. The Bohemian Rhapsody ripped apart on an ukulele by a kid that obviously can't drive his own gear to the party.